billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Evhamullah and I am a teacher of Diamond English Language and Computer Academy. My dear friends, today I am going to do typing for 2 minutes. I hope you will like it. And if you wanna learn typing, so just follow my method of typing. Inshallah, you will also grow your typing. So once again, if you like to learn typing, so you can come to Diamond English Language and Computer Academy. Admission are open here. So let's get started. Let's see how can I type. So thank you so much for watching the video. You can see my typing, the 69 my gross typing. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.